Hi, it's Drew from ALZO Video, and this is the ALZO Smoothy Pod. This is a camera stabilizer and a monopod. This very popular device is crafted of all aluminum and includes two rubber grips, one on the monopod and one on the adjustable angle gimbal grip. The camera mount is an XY balance adjuster and includes a DSLR anti-rotation plate. The ALZO Smoothy Pod can be used with a camcorder with this accessory flat camera mount plate replacing the DSLR camera mount. When collapsed, the ALZO Smoothy Pod is only 27 inches tall, and when extended, it supports a camera up to 66 inches high. Balancing a camera for stabilization is easy. First, we remove the base weight from the monopod. For light cameras, we place the base weight under the camera and then attach the camera mounting plate. Then we mount the camera and ensure that both safety screws are up. Then we adjust the length of the monopod to balance the rig so that it is slightly bottom heavy. Then we make fine adjustments to the XY balance until the camera is perfectly balanced. As with all handheld camera stabilizers, you're going to practice walking with the device and develop a body movement that smooths out the normal rocking of your body as you transfer your weight from left to right foot. So now let's go do some practice. I have developed a walking stance where I keep my knees bent slightly, lowering my body slightly, and keep my arms away from my chest. You can use two hands on the gimbal grip, or you can use your other hand on the monopod to help keep it straight. Never grip the monopod, just use two spread fingers like this.